There's sure to be plenty of bedlam on tap in this Extreme Rules matchup.
These superstars have nothing but bad intentions in mind for each other, and they have everything and everywhere at their disposal to annihilate one another.
Now trampling the opposition.
He's turning the tables.
Bam! Down he goes.
Two-handed choke slam!
Oh, look at this. Out to the apron.
Oh, my goodness.
Are you kidding me? A back suplex right onto the apron. Here he comes, sliding back in. Ah, look at this.
Oh, right on the arm.
Oh, hard impact in the corner.
Up on the top rope.
Hazardous part of town for these two competitors.
This could go south in a hurry. Here we go.
Superplex! The Big Red Machine is now under heavy pressure.
Just unrelenting attacks from the bad guy.
Taking it on the mouth.
Oh, Kane waylays him.
Crucial turnaround there because Kane was falling behind.
Yeah, Kane's survival instincts are taking over.
What a counter.
Gets him with the counter.
Reciprocating the initial reversal.
Boom! Ooh! Momentum is really on Razor Ramon's side.
Jeez. Now Kane's leaking. Uh-oh, that's a lot of weight on the top rope right now. These two behemoths.
No way.
No!
You can't
no!
do this!
Superplex! And the ring just imploded!
Stop the match!
And that will do it. Not getting up from that one, so it's called.